Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam VR stuttering. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Library. This will bring up your entire game collection where you can manage individual titles and their settings. In the left panel, you'll see all your installed games. Right-click on the VR game that's experiencing stuttering issues, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This opens up a dedicated settings window for that specific game. Now, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. Disabling the overlay can significantly reduce performance overhead during gameplay, which often helps eliminate stuttering in VR applications. Next, in the upper left corner of Steam, click on Steam to open the main menu, then select Settings from the drop-down. This takes you to Steam's global configuration area where you can adjust various system-wide options. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game downloads and updates, which can directly impact your VR performance. Look for Download Region, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu. Select the region that's nearest to you. Choosing a closer server reduces latency and ensures smoother data transfer, which can help improve overall VR performance. After selecting your region, click Restart Now. Steam needs to restart to apply this change, so give it a moment to close and reopen automatically. Once Steam restarts, head back into the Downloads section. This time, look for Clear Download Cache, and right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation prompt will appear, so go ahead and click Confirm. Clearing the cache removes corrupted or outdated files that might be interfering with your VR experience. Now, in the left panel, click on Interface. This section contains settings related to Steam's visual elements and update channels. Look for Client Beta Participation, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu. From the options available, select Steam Beta Update. Beta versions often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help resolve VR stuttering issues. Click Restart Now again. Steam will restart one more time to switch to the beta client. Wait for it to fully relaunch before proceeding. Additionally, you'll need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of VR stuttering, so make sure you download and install the latest version from your graphics card manufacturer's website. Once everything is updated and configured, try opening your VR games and see if the stuttering has been resolved. With these adjustments, your VR experience should be much smoother and more enjoyable. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.